Hello, everyone, and welcome to Group Dynamic Psychology 210. My name is Michelle Fisher, and I'll be your instructor for the next 5 weeks. This is one of my favorite classes. I really enjoy teaching it on campus, and I've been teaching it for over the past 5 years, so I really enjoy it, and I'm excited that I'm teaching it again. This class is very interesting. It deals a lot with how to interact with groups, how to interact with others in the workplace, in the classroom setting. So it's something that I think anyone can benefit from. Brief background about myself. I have an associate's in accounting, a bachelor's in business administration, and a master's in human behavior. I've taught several different courses from general education, accounting, business courses, and psychology. So I'm across the board. I currently work in a female prison, female correctional facility, and I teach the high school equivalency class. I assist them with obtaining their high school diploma. It is a challenge because of the fact these women, they don't see beyond the fact that they're in prison. Some are able to look at the future, but a lot of them are not. So psychology is something that we truly use in the classroom, from Maslow's hierarchy of needs, where you're at now, where you can be in the future, social exchange theory, is it worth it in the end, and self-talk, building your self-talk, being more confident. And that's something that we always focus on in psychology. But with the group dynamics class, it also teaches how to interact with others. When you get to that place where you're actually going to be in the workplace, how do you interact with others, how you deal with others, and understand it's important that you do interact with others in order to accomplish goals. So this class is very beneficial to anyone. For example, let's say your organization has an organizational goal that needs to be met. So you have several people get together for that short period of time. They come up with goals. The brainstorming process is visited in the beginning, where all these goals and ideas are bounced off, and then in the end, when you actually accomplish that goal, it's amazing, and you want to do more. You want to interact with people more because it was a pleasant experience. But on the other hand, it's not always pleasant because conflict can happen. So we do cover that as well in the classroom, how to deal with conflict. Do we ignore it? Do we face it? When do we face it? How to face it? Is it worth facing? Sometimes people think, just dodging it is better than dealing with it. So we have to determine that within that actual scenario, is it worth it? So that is something that we do talk about, miscommunication, etc. So it's not all, as to where it's smooth. No, nothing is smooth. There's always going to be that rocky road, but we can understand how to interact with other people and deal with it in the end. So when it's all said and done, when you take this class, hopefully you can take some tools and techniques with you into the classroom as well as in the workplace. And once again, I'm excited and welcome.